What can you make with a tuna can that's healthy and quick? Stay tuned to find out. Please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more recipes that are healthy and quick that you can make for you and your family. So today I will be showing you just some quick way how we can use tuna to make 3 different recipes. So I already emptied a can of tuna into the bowl, and then I also cut up some onion to go with it. I know onion can be optional. And then also I have some 1/4 cup of corn, which let's just mix it all together now. So I'm just gonna add this all to a bowl, and then you take the corn. So the corn is also optional, but I just find just to add some more fiber to the tuna filling. It's really nice, and just a little bit of carbs in. Okay, so then we just mix it a bit together. So I use the tuna with water because I'm going to use some mayonnaise, and because mayonnaise is a fat, it won't mix as well when you use tuna that's been in vegetable oil. So I'm going to do that, and then also just to decrease some of the calories at the for the whole filling. Okay, so I will be adding some of this. So just a teaspoon is more than enough. I don't use too much. It's just to get a nice tangy taste. So that's all that's necessary. So I'm going to mix all of this together, and then so I have mini peppers. I've already washed them before we going to prep them. Okay, so this is done and dusted. Okay, I'm going to put that aside. Okay, so just this is actually a very easy one that you can do. You can just slice up the cucumber. I'm just going to make 3 of those, and then in the meantime I'm just going to put some bread in the toaster, because that's going to be our second or third dish.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we just gonna take a little teaspoon and our cucumber, we're gonna put it there onto a plate, and then we just take a little scoopity. Ooh, that's a big one. Gonna put a little small scoopy, another small scoopy. If you just want a small snack. There you go. Here we go. So there we have the tuna on cucumber. Nice and a light snack. And then we're just going to quickly prepare these. So you get these little mini peppers, and then you can just take out the inside. And if the inside wants to come out, that is, and let's quickly just go through all of them.
A few moments later.
Okay, now that's done, we're gonna start filling them. So I actually came across this recipe when I was speaking to one of my clients, taking their diet history, and they actually told me that this is a snack that they do or make for themselves, and I thought, wow, I should really try this, and it was delicious. So I was like, no, I should really recommend this to people, because I think it can be very refreshing, a different snack compared to all the other snacks. And I mean, the snack does not have to be bought in a package or bought in a shop. You can make it yourself. The snack is just a smaller meal. So I don't know why people always think a snack should be something that they buy. especially for the kiddies, you really don't have to buy anything because we don't really want to do the whole processed thing if we don't have to, because it just adds unnecessary sugar and unhealthy fats and also salt to their diets. Like I said, that's not needed. Ooh, that one just like rolling there. Okay, so we have those. I'm just gonna put this aside, and now the toast jumped out, so I'm just quickly gonna go get that. Jose. Okay, so now we're just gonna put some filling on there. So this is also nice. You can actually make like a toasty with it, where you put the top on as well, but I'm just going to make an open toast with this one. And what's really nice about the filling, you can also put it in a wrap where you can add other things like tomato or lettuce or spinach or any grated carrot. There we go. Or you can even mix it into an omelette. I wouldn't add the mayo then. But anyway, ooh, this is a little bit top heavy. Okay, let's put that there. Just go like that. And I'm just gonna put that extra. Okay. There we have it. 3 ways to use tuna. I should probably try it.